Okay folks, it's Saturday morning, February the 6th. Just got past the first leg of the storm, Blizzard 2010. Everything is okay in Herndon at this point. Just want to give you some video footage of what has happened already. Neighborhood is quite peaceful. You can see the whiteout conditions. I don't know, we received probably about a good 8-9 inches so far. It's supposed to snow for the remainder of the day, and we'll see what the final total is. But as you can see, walking through the snow, cars are in the garage, don't have to worry about digging them out. But it's really whiteout conditions. Visibility is probably about 10% at this point in time. There is a house. The plows have been through here already, which is not good for any of us, because that just cakes up a lot of the snow towards our house that we have to plow out. Mostly everyone in the neighborhood has snow blowers, so I will be borrowing a snow blower from one of our neighbors. But this is really a big storm for us, and it's still February. Most of our storms usually come in March here in the Washington, D.C. area, so we have a long winter to go. Good luck to me and the plowing I have to do. I just bought some Tylenol a couple of days ago from the supermarket, so my back should be okay. Hope everything's well with everyone else. Be safe, and we'll talk to you soon. Over and out.